You got the upper hand. I've been down on my luck. Yeah, I've had better days, but I've had steep falls. There's a reason why people love an underdog. Battles on one, they just show who you are. And in the end, you know I'ma get mine. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon enough you're gonna watch me fly. Saying there goes a king, have the sword to his neck. Just the story of a comeback king. He's a comeback king who keeps rising up, from any hole you dig. They call me triumphant. You're dealt a deck of cards, play 'em how you want. Playing in the dirt's how I learn. Keep reaching out, not coming on the ground, but I come out on top. Legend on bone, they are formed, all rising up. And in the end, you know I'ma get mine. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon enough you're gonna watch me fly. Saying there goes a king, have the sword to his neck. Just the story of a comeback king. He's a comeback king who keeps rising up, from any hole you dig. They call me triumphant. They call me triumphant.
Why can't I fly away, take the pain away from the rubble that is here? All of the time that I have had, I always assumed it'd all be clear. Instead I'm here, wrapped in chains. I'm looking to break out, but I fear I'm not doing what they say is right. How have I not seen these tears? 'Cause I've been thinking about what I wanna do, 'cause I never ever thought it through. Now I ask myself why didn't I? Why can't I fly away, take the pain away from the rubble that is here? The boredom creeps in when I'm staying in, thinking about where I have been. Instead I'm here, wrapped in chains. I'm looking to break out, but I fear I'm not doing what they say is right. How have I not seen these tears? 'Cause I've been thinking about what I wanna do, 'cause I never ever pain away from the rubble that is